We talk about T and H, but the second sound. The second sound, the. Okay? You remember KG. The first sound, think, th. Okay. But now, we talk about the. If you see T and H come together, make it two sounds, one th and one the. Get out your tongue like this. Th. Okay? T and H, it has many friends. The first one is H here, the. E, short I. S. But here S, something Z. You got so, what is? This is the marker. This. So this word is this. The second word is the at. You remember family at? So that. If you see anything for, tell me that. I see the marker. Yes, but that marker or this? No, that. This. Near. Near. This marker is near. This. Far. That. Okay. Another word. But here, Katie, if you see E and A come together, make a long sound E. You remember double E? Double E and A make a long sound E. So, no. E. The. Family E R. Leather. This is my bag. My bag made of leather. Okay. Another word. Come together. How can I write together? Together. Come together. Two T-O. Two G. The. What the sound? Family T and H. And E-R. Get to. I need another word for that. Another name. Dad. Yes. Father. We have in our family father. Mother. Brother. So father, mother, brother, friends with family, the. T and H. Friends with family, the. father, mother, brother. Okay? And again, repeat after me. If you see T and H come together, make one sound or two sounds. Two sounds. Oh my God. Vowel? No. Special family. Okay? T and H make two sounds. Make two sounds. One is th and one is the. Vowel KG, this letter. But this family. Two letters. Okay? T and H. Th. Friends with family. Th. Come. Huh. Thumb. And B is silent. Think. Thin. Happy birthday to you. Birthday. After number 2, 3. Math. Okay? And thank you. Oh, I need bathroom. May I go to the bathroom? Bathroom. Another sound, the second sound, the. Remember, get out your tongue like this. The. This marker. That marker. That. And my bag made of leather. Okay? And come together, sing a song. Together. And in our family, father, mother, brother. And thank you. Bye.